Hello my lovely ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unpack a very big box. I'm going to show you. Oh, it's huge and it's very heavy. Ooh. It is filled to the rim. This is a box my dear friend Kate sent to me for Christmas. Now this one arrived in time for Christmas, but her box I wasn't able to send her in time. Normally I would have filmed this, put this up on Christmas Day. But because I couldn't send her package on time, I had to wait for a few orders. I had to wait until, because now we are in lockdown again in Holland. And there were a few, like the usual postal offices were closed. They're opening up again, so I can finally send her box. But it won't be on time for Christmas anyway, because it's the 23rd of December right now. So yeah, that is not going to work. I will link her video and her channel down below in the description box. And yeah, go check her out because she's so lovely. I think this is like the third box we did together. And it's so much fun. She always sends me the best stuff. And if this is your first time here, if you came over from Kate's channel, then hi, welcome. My name is BeautybyAnneChris and on my channel I want to inspire you to use a little bit of color every day. By creating fun, colorful looks. Today I'm wearing like more of a neutral look, but I'm wearing a very bright lip, but keeping those looks a little bit more wearable, a little less loud, because that is just my personal makeup style. I also try out a lot of new makeup, so if you want to know what is actually worth your time and money, then please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. I upload 2 times a week, sometimes 3, but mainly 2 times a week, so there's always something fun to watch. Now, let's dig into this humongous box. I'm going to get some scissors, or I did get some scissors. And I'm going to start off with this one because it says Scotland's national animal. I mean, you know. Ooh, it's a unicorn. It's a unicorn, I love it. Ooh, I can hang this in my tree. I still have my tree up. I can hang it in my tree. Ooh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I want to put it over there. I'm going to hang it in my tree and then I'm going to put it over there on the, what's it called? The thing, you know what I mean. Alright, then she sent me some hand sanitizer from Estee Lauder. Well, that is very fancy. Thank you. Then she sent me some primer and she sent me some, ooh, some very nice mask. Ooh, I can't wait to try these. Can't wait. She also sent me the Clarins Extra Firming Jour. It's the day cream. I love this. She sent me, I think, not in the last box, but the box before. I don't really remember. She sent me one of these and the night cream and I really loved it. So I'm so glad she sent me another one. Then she also sent me a hand cream with rose. I love rose scent hand cream. I love it. Then she also sent me a original hot cloth cleanser from Lacura. This is for all skin types, so I'm going to totally try this. It gently cleanses and exfoliates to leave skin feeling smooth and soft. Well, that's never a bad thing. And then I'm just going to get the things that are not packed because ooh, I forgot one. I forgot a mask. And I have the Nuxe Bon Voyage. That is a face balm that intensely nourishes, soothes, helps to repair. Very nice. I'm going to try it out. She also sent me a brush, and this is really intriguing because it looks like a fan brush, but it's really small. It's from BH Cosmetics. Come on. Huh? Okay. Okay. Wow, what is this? It's the number 4 brush. This is really exciting. This is a very unique brush. Okay, I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to see where can I use this? Where can I use this for? I'm going to find a purpose, no worries there. I'm going to go into the packaged stuff right now. That's still so much. Oh my gosh. This is very heavy and I am hoping that it's just some nice goodies for me to snack on. I hope. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. She sent me the salad cream. My husband loves Heinz salad cream and we can't get it here in Holland. And she sent me such a big bottle. I love it. I love it. And then she also sent me... You sent me Branson Pickle. Oh my god. This is... Oh my god. I don't know if they have this anywhere else in the world. But this is heaven. This is Oh, and you got the original cut. My husband loves the original cut. This is Branson Pickle. You put this, you know, whatever you're fancy, but I love to use this when I'm eating cheese on like bread, because that's like our national dish, bread and cheese. And then you put on some Branson. My in-laws introduced me to this and it's so nice. It's like well, it's pickled onions, I think. Sweet pickle with mixed vegetable and spices. I can't explain it to you, but it's really, really nice. Thank you, Kate. Thank you. I love it. I love it. And it arrived whole. It arrived fully, you know, nothing wrong. All right. And now, oh, I know, I found one more sample. This is a Bare Minerals mini lipstick. Love it. I'm going to go into the packages now. Starting off with this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. You did it. This looks so nice. I told her that I love, when I go abroad, when I go on vacation, I love to go to the supermarkets and especially see what like candies, chocolate, stuff like that they have. Because, you know, it's just fun. It's boring to have the same old stuff every time. And she sent me something very nice. Oh. Salted caramel matchmakers. So, oh, they're from Quality Street. Oh my god, I'm going to be so fat. I'm already really fat, but I'm going to be so fat. Love it. I'm going to so enjoy that. This is also packaged. Ooh, Soap and Glory stuff. I love Soap and Glory stuff. I cannot get Soap and Glory in Holland. Yeah. Clean On Me, a creamy clarifying shower gel from Soap and Glory, which I can't get in Holland. So I love that she sent that to me. And hand food. So this is a nice hand cream. Original pink, rose and bergamot. How did you know I love rose? Did I tell you? Did I tell you? I love rose scented hand creams, stuff like that. I love it. Next one. Ooh, this is a palette. This is a Sosu palette. Oh, wow. I'm going to get it up. The color story looks really nice. Greens with purples. Right up my alley. Oh my god, Kate. Wow. This is stunning. Oh wow, this is such a cool color story. I love it. Thank you. I love it. Another big one. I'm hoping it is candy. Oh, it's not candy. Wow. Okay. Wow. Our beauty heroes. I want to see what's in here. What? Wow. There are some very cool things in here. A Essie nail polish. A very cute one. A Rainbow Lasting Finish makeup primer. This looks really nice. A classic mascara by Maybelline, the Great Lash. Love it. Ooh, a Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse. Very stunning color. And this is a Matte Me Metallic, a metallic matte lip cream. And it looks like, it has a bit of a shift. So it looks like a duochrome of some sort. Really nice. And we got this Soap and Glory bath bomb. Always fun. And some samples. Love it. This is so much fun. This is the next thing I'm going to open. And yes, I was hoping it was chocolate. It felt like chocolate. Ooh. A big bar of dairy milk from Cadbury. I love it. I love it. This is my favorite chocolate. We always stock up. When we go to England, we always stock up on Cadbury. My husband loves it. Alright, then this is something that is really intriguing because it's been extra packaged. Simple Beauty. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. The Jewel Tone Palette. I love indie brands and oh my god, wow, Kate! This is wow. Look at this color story. This is so right up my alley because I love colors, but I really adore crunchy colors. Oh my god, Kate, this is the best. This is the best one. Well, I'm saying that and I have like 1,000 more presents, but this is so stunning. Wow. I just love to try new brands. I've never tried anything from Simple Beauty. This is the Erase and Boost Base. What is this? It's a full coverage eyeshadow base. I can try a new eyeshadow base. Wow, and it's huge. Wow. If you don't know, I have been trying new eyeshadow bases this whole year because I want to find my holy grail eyeshadow primer, and I'm like Goldilocks. I want something that is just perfect, just matches my skin tone, is not too drying, but it's not too wet either. It's not too tacky, but it's tacky enough to, you know, hold on some like glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to try this. I am so excited. Oh wow, this is so nice. This is a eye pencil. Look at that color. My god. Ooh, look at the color. This is beautiful. This will go really well with the palette. This is the Inica Organic Certified Organic Lipstick Crayon in the shade Rose Petal. This looks really nice. Ooh, look at this. Oh wow, it's one of those chubby ones. Oh wow, look at the color. This color is so beautiful. This is right up my alley. This color story is so nice. This is such a beautiful color. Love it. And I think, yeah, it's really creamy. I could just easily blend that out. So it's creamy, so it's not going to be too drying because I don't like really drying lip stuff. Really nice. Ooh, Zoeva, the Pure Matte Lips in Courtesy Call. This shade is so stunning. Wow, this looks so nice. I'm just going to open it. It feels really, it's a matte, but it feels really nice and creamy. And not too thick. It's a very thin formula. Wow. Love it. It's a stunning shade. Another Zoeva, and this is the Graphic Brow Fix in Amos. This is really cool. I love Zoeva, but I never really go out of like the usual stuff I buy. I have a few eyeshadow palettes. They're okay, but I never try anything else in their brushes. This is the brow thing. The Graphic Brow Fix. Ooh, this looks nice. I think this is a very perfect color for me. This is cool. I love trying out new products. Love it. Ooh, this is from MUA. I love this brand because they have a very beautiful highlighter. I decluttered it because I have a lot of the same stuff. But yeah, this is a really nice color. It's totally packaged. I'm going to keep it like that. Thanks, that looks really, really nice. Oh, this is really nice. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. I'm still on that hunt for the perfect mascara. I do love the Lancôme Mercier Big. It's my favorite. But it's not perfect, so yeah, still looking, still looking. Then another very small one. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, this is from Laura Mercier. Oh my god, you always send me the best stuff, Kate. Seriously? Why don't you keep stuff like that for yourself, man? Peel here. I will. This is a stunning shade. Look at this. This is such a fun pinky shade. I love it. And I love this. It's just such a cute mini. Oh, this is from NARS. Oh my god, you sent me something from NARS. Oh my god. This is Do Me Baby, and it is a, what is it? It's a velvet matte lipstick. Oh no, it's a velvet matte. It's their velvet, ooh, it's a velvet matte lip pencil in the shade. What did I say? What did I say? Do Me Baby. Do Me Baby. Oh wow, and it feels so creamy. This is the shade, this one. It's really nice. It's so stunning. And I've wanted to try these for a very long time. You can look inside my head, can't you? It's freaky. It's freaky. All the things you sent me, they are always golden. Always golden. Okay, I'm going to, in the meantime, I'm still unpacking. Oh, this is something from Beauty Bay. The Beauty Bay, it's a crayon eyeliner in the shade. Doesn't say. It's white. Oh my god, I love it. Oh no, it's not. It's like a metallic copper. Very nice. Very thin as well. Wow. Is there a... And there's a sharpener in there. Which I think to get this point, you need a good sharpener. This is so nice. Look at this. This is so cute. And I can try out all these scents. London Poppy, Wonderland Peony, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose, and Arizona Bloom. I love that. I love this. I'm so going to try that. That rhubarb one sounds really interesting. I have this. I love it. I love it. This is a Terry's Chocolate Orange. And I love, love, love orange and chocolate. I love it. I don't know what this is, but I'm totally going to snack on this. Ooh, she sent me a powder bronzer by Beauty Bay. That is so cool because I never tried a Beauty Bay brand. And now I totally can. Oh, and this looks really nice. This looks like something I would pick out. I think this totally can fit my skin tone. I love it. I can't wait to try these goodies. This is a Soft Focus Loose Powder from H&B Cosmetics. Never heard of them, but really intrigued. This is in the shade Translucent. I think the packaging looks really nice. Look at this. This is really nice. I love the aesthetic of this. I'm totally going to try this. A soft focus powder sounds great because I don't really like those like very mattifying powders. So I'm really curious. This sounds like candy. Oh yeah. Oh, it's candy. All right. It's Smarties. Oh, love this. Oh my God, I love this. I used to get these around like, I don't know if you know, but it's like Sinterklaas. It's kind of like, we have Santa Claus, but a little bit before we celebrate Christmas. It's a thing. It's a thing. I always got one of these from my grandpa. I love this. I love this. Oh my God. I'm going to be, my dentist is not going to be happy with me, but okay. I've got two small slim packages in bubble wrap. Very curious to see what this is. Ooh, the balm. You sent me the balm again. I love it. I wanted to try the balm this year and she sent the only thing I tried from the balm she sent me this year. So that is kind of funny. And now she's doing the same thing. This is the Pick Perfect Auto Balm Shadows on the Go. I'm really curious to see what this is. Oh, it's the cutest eyeshadow palette. Oh my God. This is so cute. And I love the colors. Look at the green. Isn't the packaging the cutest? This is so cute. I can take them out. I can take them out. I can even, there's a little slip here that if you're done, you can take it out and you can repurpose the little tin. This is so cute. It's the Zoeva Premiere. Oh my God. These are blushes and highlighters and look at this. This is so right up my alley. Even better than an eyeshadow palette. I love it. I love it because an eyeshadow palette, I do like Zoeva as a brand, but I have two of their eyeshadow palettes and they're like, okay. But look at this. This is something I would get a lot of use out of. I love it. Oh my God, Kate, this was such a great box. Once again, I hope my box will be with you very soon because I know you're going to love what I got for you. Thank you so much for exchanging boxes again. I love this. I love doing this. You are such a great friend. Thank you so much for that. I love you. Thank you ladies so much for watching today. I hope you like what you saw. Please check out Kate's channel because she is such a gem. She is such a sweetheart. Please check her out. I have linked everything down below. Subscribe if you haven't already because I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!